In Benin, kings didn't just rule, they carried the spirits of their ancestors. Every Oba was more than a monarch. He was the bridge between heaven and the kingdom. Before I go further, follow AfriThroneTV because this is how Africa's kings ruled with both power and spirit. The royal line began with Oba Eweka first, but it was Oba the Great in the 1400s who reshaped Benin into an empire. He expanded its borders, redesigned its capital, and built a court system guided by sacred order, not chaos. In Benin, justice wasn't just political, it was spiritual. Every royal decision began with ritual. Bronze heads were cast to honor past Obas, each one placed on ancestral altars inside the palace. The living king ruled in the presence of those who came before him. When the Oba spoke, it was said his ancestor spoke through him. Foreign visitors saw a man in coral beads and ivory bracelets. But the Edo people saw a god's descendant, chosen to protect the balance between the living and the dead. The Oba's palace wasn't just a building, it was a universe of power, art, and law. From there, Benin commanded diplomacy with Portugal, art guilds, and a bureaucracy centuries ahead of its time. This was leadership rooted in spirit, governance guided by ancestry. A reminder that in Africa, kingship was never about conquest alone, it was about connection. If this moved you, follow at AfriThroneTV, because next we face the empire's darkest test when outsiders arrived, not to learn, but to loot.